Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Mohnish Pabrai's Pabrai group has acquired 16.24 lakh equity shares amounting to a 2.1433% stake in the company. With this, the group's stake in the company has risen to 9.2296% from 7.0863% earlier. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. We'll be providing the link in the description of the video. Please click on the link to join the group and be updated at the earliest on all stock market related information. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Kolte Patil Developers Limited, which is available at Rs 264.20 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is KOLTEPATIL. Now Kolte Patil Developers Limited engages in the development of real estate property and its projects include residential and townships, office buildings and shopping centers. The company was founded by Milind Digambar Kolte, Naresh Anirudh Patil and Rajesh Anirudh Patil on November 25, 1991 and is headquartered in Pune, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has not really created any major wealth and has literally been choppy throughout the entire year. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2003.03 crores. The EPS of 17.04 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 15.50 when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 22.41. The price to book ratio of 2.37 is also not wildly expensive. Debt to equity for the company stands at 0.5209, which is not very bad for a real estate company, whereas the return on equity stands at 0.1487 and is average. The company has a dividend yield of 0.91%, whereas the promoter holding is a very strong number at 74.63%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, this company has recently got a blockbuster response to one of its new projects, which bodes very well for this company. This in spite of the fact that the sector is really going through a very tough time. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.